Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss on how we can keep a track of our lost opportunity in CRM of Odoo 16. So for that let me go to the CRM module, and in the pipeline you can see the different stages here. And now let me create a new opportunity. So let me create an opportunity. So after creating an opportunity, you also have the option to change the state of the opportunity. So you can just change the state of the opportunity by the drag and drop method. And now let me go inside an opportunity. So if you want to convert this opportunity as lost, you also have the option in Odoo 16 to mark an opportunity as lost. So let me show you how to do that. You have a button here. So let me click on it, and here you can see a pop-up where you can set the lost reason. You can select the appropriate reason from here and you can submit it. So after submitting it, you can see a ribbon here because you have converted it to a lost opportunity. And now let me go back to the pipeline. So once you have converted an opportunity to lost opportunity, you cannot see the opportunity in the pipeline. And if you want to see the opportunity, you need to filter it, and in the filter you have the option lost, and you can see the lost opportunities here. Let me click on it. Clicking on it will show you the details of the lost opportunity. So once if you have retrieved the lost opportunity, you also have the option to restore it back to the pipeline. So here you can see a button restore. So let me restore this opportunity to the pipeline. And if you go back to the pipeline, you can now see the restored opportunity here. And now let me show you how to restore opportunity by batch. And let me just convert this as lost opportunity, giving the appropriate lost reason. Let me submit it. So it is converted to the lost opportunity. And now let me filter it by the lost. And now you can see there is 2 lost opportunities here. Let me just convert it to the list view. And here you have the option to select the lost opportunities. And in the server action, you have the option to unarchive the selected lost opportunity. After clicking on unarchive, if you go to the pipeline, here you can see it has restored. So this is how you restore a lost opportunity in Odoo 16. And if you go to the configuration settings, you also have the option to create lost reasons. If you want to create lost reasons, you can create it from here, or you can just use the pre-configured lost reasons. And now let me convert an opportunity to lost opportunity, and here you can give the lost reason and submit it. So after submitting it, you can go again to the pipeline, and here you also have the option to group the opportunity based on lost reasons. If you group it based on lost reasons, you can see here the lost opportunities that is grouped by the lost reason. And if you select on it, you can see the details from here. And if you want to convert it to the one state, you can convert it from here. Let me select the opportunity here. So if you want to just convert it to the won state, you can mark it as won. Going to the pipeline, you can see the opportunity is now in the won state. Let me select it and let me again mark it as lost by giving the lost reason. And if you go back and filter it by the lost, you can see the lost opportunity here. And if you want to schedule an activity for the lost opportunity, you have the option to schedule an activity by giving the summary. You can schedule an activity for your lost opportunity. Let me schedule it. And if you go back to the pipeline, you can see the opportunity. For that, first let me just restore this. And now let me go to the pipeline. And now you can see the restored opportunity and the activity is scheduled. So this is how you manage the lost opportunities in Odoo 16. So that's all for today. Thank you.